check the environment, if everything is clear and safe, and then check the patient. Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey!
No response.
No response. And then check breathing.
No, not yet. So no response.
Hey you, wearing yellow shirt. Call EMS, and when you come back, bring AED.
Okay. Head tilt, chin lift.
Head tilt, chin lift.
Carotid pulse. Lift the chin, the baba, and then carotid pulse. Yung blue? Yung may blue?
Kailangan bang i-reach yun?
And then the baba. Tignan mo nga ako.
Pero,
yan.
Kailangan talaga ganun. Sorry.
Yes. Okay, count.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6,
8, 9, 10. Then, what's your pulse? Positive, negative?
Negative.
Breathing?
No breathing.
Negative breathing. Perform?
Negative breathing. Perform CPR.
Alright.
First is locate the septum.
Xiphoid process.
Xiphoid. And then move above and then perform CPR.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13,
Look at your patient's face.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1. Head tilt, chin lift, mask, and blow.
1, 2.
Continue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Look at your patient.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3.
How many times are you gonna repeat that?
3.
30 is to 2. How many times?
2, 5 times in 2 minutes.
Okay, now this is the 5th time na. 6,
6, 7,
8, 9, 5. Head tilt, chin lift, mask, seal, and blow. And blow. Okay, now check for life. Head tilt, chin lift, carotid pulse, and count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's pulse and there's breathing. Recovery position.
So, paano yung recovery position? Yung kamay, sa'yo muna. Ikaw muna.
Hand is here.
Okay.
And then hand is here.
Okay, and then the legs.
Go to the position like this.
Okay, and then turn to the left in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, cool. So do it to your patient also. I'll move you to the left in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, check the head for any fractures, injury. Check the back and check the legs. Okay? So now what you're waiting for
is the
EMS.
EMS.
Now while you're waiting, the patients become bluish again and not responding.
Then perform again another CPR.
Then put it in a flat surface, okay? And then check for life. Head tilt, chin lift.
And then
count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Negative pulse, negative breathing. Perform.
CPR again.
Okay, go.
Then look for the
Xiphoid.
Xiphoid, and then position your arm.
Okay.
And then repeat the procedure.
Continue. Go. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
AED has arrived. Open the AED. Turn on the AED. Turn it on.
Turn on the AED.
Just follow. I-guide kita. Follow mo lang gagawin. Okay? Turn on the AED. Go. Buksan mo AED.
But there's another person already, right?
No, wala. Ikaw lang.
Okay.
Stop CPR. Turn on the AED.
Turn on the AED.
Attach the pads.
Attach the pads.
Saan ang pad ng adult?
Adult pad will be one here. And then one here.
Okay? Now, analyzing. Don't touch the patient. Sige, okay lang yan. Alam ko na kung saan may nalalagay. Okay, don't touch the patient.
Okay.
Shock is advised. Please press the shock button. Stop. Di ba pag before ka mag-click, ano sasabihin mo?
Everything's clear. I mean,
I'm clear.
I'm clear.
Also clear. Please press shock button.
Please press shock button. Pressing shock button. Clear.
To charge deliver. Shock delivered. Please continue CPR.
Okay.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Analyzing. Please stop. Don't touch the patient. Patient has pulse but not breathing. Perform.
Ulit, pulse.
Patient has pulse but not breathing.
Not breathing. Do breathing recovery.
Rescue.
I mean rescue breathing. Sorry.
Okay. Head tilt, chin lift. Put the mask. Head tilt and blow. Count 6 seconds. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1. Blow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3.
How many times?
Wait.
In a minute, dapat ilan?
In a minute.
Ilang 6 seconds in 1 minute?
For the kids, it's 40 to 60. But for adult, I forgot.
So, if it's 6 seconds, ilang 6 seconds meron sa 1 minute?
So 1 minute, then 10.
10. So, 2 minutes kailangan ko?
20 times.
20 to 24. Actually, 10 to 12 in every minute or 20 to 24 in 2 minutes.
Yung infant
So, pag by 5 na tayo. And 5, blow. 10 na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
Okay.
Blow. 20, di ba? Oh.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
15. Blow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
20.
20.
Okay, check for life. Head tilt.
Head tilt. And then, okay.
Count. 1, 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then, there's breathing already. So,
Ang pulse.
With pulse. And then, so we have to put on the recovery position again. Same position. Right hand under the head, and then left hand.
Yes, and legs.
And then legs, and then rest the patient to the left.
Mouth should be? Ang mouth, dapat nasaan nakatitig ang mouth?
Ang mouth is down.
Why?
To
prevent?
To prevent choking or
Aspiration.
aspiration.
Okay. Okay na, kalma. Thank you.